concealer. Found it. I'm gonna apologize right now because there's a thunderstorm going on and it's freaking loud. We've been having them non-stop here in the Edmonton area for the last last week, but did not get it as bad as Calgary. I heard they had the worst hailstorm of their life. I'm just going to prime my eyes for my eyeshadows. Next, just gonna go in with some setting powder to set that so that we don't have any harsh lines for blending. It's the worst, especially those days when I forget to do it and I start to go blend things out and I'm like, why is it grabbing so much? And I realized I didn't set it. I just apply it to my brow bone area, not on my lid, because I do want that to be a little bit tackier to grab onto the eyeshadows. So is anybody back to work? I go back to work in 2 weeks, which is nice. Although I've been really enjoying the vacation, I'm not gonna lie. We're just gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette just because it was on top of all my palettes. And I'm just going to grab this color right here. Don't know why I'm doing a Texas accent. I don't mean to offend anybody that's in Texas, by the way. It's just like the See? I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's loud. This color right here we're gonna be taking. And we're taking this M.A.C 286 brush. Oh no, I dipped in the wrong color. There we go. Bling! And I'm gonna put that in my transition area. We are gonna be going in windshield wiper motions. Oh, she really coming down now. Yeah. Windshield wiper motions and then buff it out towards the eyebrow. My house is like rattling a little bit. Can't sing, you get copyright. I'm gonna buff that out a little bit because this brush is a little bit more precise on eyeshadows. Okay, where is all my shit? Next, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's kind of like a champagne-y color. I'm going to spray my brush, which is, oh my God, it's ripped off. 236 brush. I'm just gonna apply some Fix Plus onto that. It's a little sample. I will say though, Fix Plus smells absolutely divine. It smells so beautiful. Oh my God. I got some eyeshadow in my eye. I'm gonna apply that all over the lid. I think I should actually bring you guys in a little bit more. It might be a little bit better. There, that's better. I'm just gonna apply that 3/4 of my eyelid. Like that. Would it be weird if I used Fix Plus as a perfume? Would it last long? It's a very good question. Like, I really enjoy the scent. For my outer V, I'm going to go in with this color. Which one are you pointing at, Nat? This color is kind of like a brown burgundy color. Yeah, we're gonna see that. I'm just gonna grab a crease brush. Which one's clean? None of them are. No. Okay, this one works. This is the Sigma Blending E25. And I'm going to add in there, tap her off, apply to the outer V. I always like to go light-handed at first and then start packing it on. Because if you go too dark at first and it's too much, man, you're swearing a lot. So it's always better to slowly pack on and then work it in after that. And once you get your desired darkness you want, just lightly, light-handedly blend it together. You don't want to be going too hard. If you go too hard, you can actually make it really super messy. It won't have that nice little blending transition. It won't be as soft. And I'm just gonna bring that up in my crease a little bit. Oh, I'm sweating, it's hot in here. I don't really like thunderstorms, so I'm sweating a little bit. I don't even know why I'm wearing a sweater. Tap, 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 tap. So what I also really like to do is that in this area, I like to tap to pull it through. I'm just grabbing a little bit more product on the brush, trying to help with that tapping motion of blending. Boom! So does anybody watch the 90 Day Fiancé or before the 90 Day Fiancé? That finale, guys. Oh my God. I don't usually watch 90 Day Fiancé. I think this is the first season that I watched in a very long time. Oh my God. I don't know if I came back at the right time, but that was an unbelievable good season. I think I just made that sentence up myself. But it was bomb. I loved it. Ed and Rose, that whole sex tape thing, I don't know who to believe. Who do you guys believe? I think that he did ask for a sex tape. He's just not gonna admit it, or maybe he did admit it and I just missed that part. I don't know. And Thomas and What's her face? Avery? Yes, Avery. Wow. Was not expecting that. I was very thrown off by that part, I'm not gonna lie. But she kind of also really annoyed me. Avery. Everything has to be about honesty with lying. Like, yeah, he lied about a diet. What does it matter? Okay, sorry. I'm not really like talking about the makeup thing here, but I'm going to start doing that right now. So I'm just slowly again packing on and then brushing it into my crease. I am slowly grabbing product at the same time and buffing her out. I knew I went too high there. There. The trick, guys, if you don't know, is that if you sometimes go a little too high when you are first starting off your look, take your pinky finger and just lightly go over top of it. It honestly helps so much. Like, it's gone. It's gone. Blending brush! Now I'm just gonna go over with this brush. What is it? Oh my god, it's so ruined. Oh, no. Okay, I'm gonna have to glue that back later. This is the Tapered Blending E40 brush from Sigma, and I am just going to buff that out. All together. This has no added product. I don't know if I said that. Constantly forget what I say. That's why maybe like voiceovers are better for me than these talk throughs, because then I can like delete and fix it. So I kind of want to darken that up a little bit. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's like a, almost looks black, but it's not. It's like a very dark, dark plum purple. It's gonna go on with a pencil brush. This is a Morphe E18 brush. Just tapped off the extra process product and just go right in that outer V area. Not going over too much of what we did. We just want to darken up that little tiny corner. Echo is being so good right now. Like, she hasn't chirped once. And she was chirping like crazy this morning. For you that don't know, that are new to my channel, I have a cockatiel. At least I think she's a she. She could be a he. I won't know 100% until another 6 months, I think it is, or another 5 months. I won't know until about Christmas. Oh, what a good Christmas present that will be. Do I want a boy or a girl? I'm not 100% sure. There's a positive for both of them, so I'm just gonna go back in and touch up on my eyelid color a little bit, make it more poppy. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I'm going to actually use that to darken up around my crease area, just to also help blend things out. Like, I am going super light-handed right now at this. Then I slowly start to darken it up. Like I was saying, there's positives to having to either one. Positive for a girl is that they are not as loud, but they egg lay, and that could be really scary because they could become egg bound and then actually die from it. It's terrifying. If I have a male, then I don't have to worry about the egg bound thing, but ooh, wow, eyeshadow all over my nose. What was I saying? Oh yeah, male cockatiels. Like I said, I don't have to worry about the egg bound thing, but they talk all day. They chirp, they sing all day, which would be awesome. I would love to like start teaching him to sing tunes. Some of them actually can do like the Star Wars theme, happy you know it, clap your hands, like all that type of stuff, and they can say peekaboo. It'd be really cute, but I think it would drive my boyfriend nuts. What are we doing next? Lashes. I don't know why, but I really don't like curling my lashes. Oh, I didn't do it that time. I usually pinch myself all the time. Ow, spoke too soon. Lashes, these are my last pair of Jamire Lashes. I did order a different set. I think they actually arrive tomorrow. But they're supposed to be quite similar. They're just a whole bunch more. So we'll see about that. Dual lash glue we're gonna be using. Oh, my back is like super sore. Okay, lashes are done. Storm has finally calmed down, thank God. So I didn't do primer on my face last time. I was actually shocked on how much I liked it. My pores were super tiny, which was odd, but I liked it. So I'm not using primer today. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Fit Me Matte and Poreless. Foundation in 118 Light Beige. Seriously, hate foundations without pump. See, like that's the reason why. Like, it's a mess. Oh goodness, that's a lot. Make sure I spin this out there. There we go. I've been using the Kabuki brush a lot lately too, which usually I used to always go to. Then I started using the beauty blender and then stopped using the Kabuki brush. And I forgot how much easier and quicker it is to apply foundation with a Kabuki brush. Spit it out, Nat. Don't get it on the hair. Get Ow! For concealer though, I still do like to go in with the Beauty Blender. I'm not using concealer, I'm using the foundation still. I don't like the way that concealer looks underneath my eyes. I find that it can look cakey, and the fact that I don't really have dark circles. Like I have a little tiny bit there that I could fix if I wanted to, but it's lazy. Even my clients back in the day, I used to just use foundation for concealer because they didn't need it and they liked it a whole lot better, to be honest. Powder time. All right, Mercier. Still got a lot of the sucker left. What's going on with my lash? Oh, she lifted a little bit. Lifted, damn it. I'm just taking some glue on the back of my tweezers and I'm gonna fix that. Stay. A baking process these days. I'm loving it. Especially over my pores. Like it really does help. Now I have a mustache, I have to take care of that. Bacon, 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 bacon. Ooh, I could go for some bacon right now. Bacon and eggs. And just brush it away. When I'm brushing away the product, I also blend it into my skin to kind of help with bronzer and blush afterward. Like I look like I have no pores. I love it. Every single time I hear, I love it, I think of Brittany Ferlin. Was it the Nature Girl or something like that on her channel, or her Vine that she used to have? I'm gonna do my brows. Where's my brow pencil? We're not watching this, guys. We're not watching it. Did she stay? She stayed. That's good. When anybody else does their brows, is it just me or do you hold your breath? I always hold my breath when I do my eyebrows. I don't know why, but I'm always like gasping for air afterwards. Should we finish off the eyes? I think so. Something going on with this lash and it's driving me nuts. Oh, this one off too? Yep, frick my life. This is the reason why I hate this glue. Third time's the charm? Is that what it is now? Third time. Just gonna apply some black eye gel eyeliner to my Waterline Maybelline Eye Studio gel eyeliner. I'm just using this Waterline liner E17 brush from Sigma. Good thing it's waterproof though. Since I started using this years ago, this is like the only thing that I'll put in my Waterline that actually stays and doesn't move. With that same brush, I'm just gonna go over my lashes that had the Lash Glue. Hopefully it's stuck. Also, if you want, you can give yourself a nice little wing liner here too if you like. Didn't stick. Not only does it help with like covering the glue, but also because you are putting eyeliner really close to your lash line there, you are putting a little tiny bit on your eyelid. It makes your lashes look like they're more natural. Although these are no close to natural lashes. One lash is pissing me off. Definer brush. We are gonna go back in with this color again. The darky purple color. Dark purple color. And we're just gonna focus that on the outer 3/4 of your eye. And leaving that inner corner alone for the moment. Now how blown out you want, go for it. If you really like a blown out, spit it out lower lash line, you would do that a little bit thicker. I kind of like to go for the medium. Then I'm going in with this brush here. This is the M433 from Morphe. I'm grabbing this brown in the palette. Just gonna blow that out. My nose constantly runs as well when I do my lower lash line. I don't understand. So going back in with that flat brush that we used to apply to the lid. Go on the really tips of the corner, grabbing that same color. And we're just gonna put that in the inner corner and the lower lash line. Oh my god, that lash is not staying. Screw it, I don't care. It's not like I'm going out anyways. And this Maybelline New York Snapscara is bomb. I really like it. The wand is also it's curvy, so it goes with your lashes. And you have a little tiny place that you can really get into those little tiny ones in the corner. Okay, let's bronze up this pale ass face. Still using the TooFaced Chocolate Soleil. Pretty much the only thing I think I'm gonna be using for a while until she's out. Bronzing, bronzing, bronzing. I love bronzer. Nose, you know, let's get bronzy everywhere. Why not, right? Blush. I do not have any blush in front of me. How do I forget blush? Weird. I'm back. Did you miss me? Probably not, because it was like 2 seconds for you. What blush do I want to use? Style? No, not right. No. Which one is this? Cantaloupe. Well, I guess she fell out for a reason. She wants to be used. This is a MAC brush, a little traveling brush. It's a 129 SH, short handle. Ah, that's what it's for. I always wanted to know why that was saying S-H. Makes sense. I put too much on. Buff that out a little bit. Not that it really matters if I put too much on. I don't know if I told you guys before, but blush comes off me so quick. Really frustrating considering it's my favorite thing to put on. Highlighter. Can you guess what highlighter we're gonna be using? Wet n Wild, Precious Petals, guys. I actually went to the grocery store today because I had to pick up some groceries. I went to go look at their makeup area. It is cleaned out, guys. Like there's not much left there. I don't know if it's because of this whole C word thing, which YouTube says we cannot use anymore. But yeah, they were completely cleaned out. But I guess my bank account is happy about that. Oh, the brush I'm using is Morphe M510. My highlighting brush. Beautiful. It's good. It's amazing. So is that highlight. I think I'm gonna go everywhere today. Usually don't do above the eyebrow unless I'm doing like a more dramatic look, but we're gonna want to pick up that guy, right? Glow me! Now, date night lipstick. What would you guys use? Me? I'm using Creme Brule. And I am just going to take my brush that has probably dried up product on it, which is totally fine, and apply it over my lips. Kind of neutralize them. Kind of a trick way of having nude lipstick. And yeah, Creme Brule. I know you guys are probably annoyed with this color already, but if you can have, it's hard to talk doing this, but if you can have one lip gloss, one lipstick that works with multiple looks, why not? So, plus that's like leftover concealer foundation helps hold on to the lip gloss a little bit longer too. It's not like you're gonna be keeping it on all night anyways, right? You get what I'm saying? Yeah, I think that's about it. People ask why I don't put any setting spray on when I do my makeup. I do when I'm going out, obviously. Don't do it right now because just hanging out at home. The reason why I don't do it in my videos is because of echo. Her cage is right beside my filming station, and if I spray that stuff, that actually could harm her, so not doing that. Okay guys, that is my date night look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, you know, but it's like, you know, I think my second video that I did a chit chat through, and it's sunny out now. Like, would you look at that? Still that damn eyelash man, like, thank you, Google. If you guys like these little chit chat videos, you know, let me know by giving a thumbs up, or if you like to, you know, my voiceover is better. I don't know, do you guys like chatting with me? I don't even like chatting with myself sometimes. Anyways, I'm out. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and, you know, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Nailed it. Okay, bye.